Hi everyone, in this video you will learn that how to use Umbracrux Dagger in Diablo 4 game. The Umbracrux Dagger has a variety of stat boosts which range from dexterity, vulnerable damage, subterfuge cooldown reduction, and innervation. The primary ability of Umbracrux Dagger comes from the subterfuge skills, meaning that it won't mesh well with every rough build in Diablo 4. So this weapon casting subterfuge skill spawn an enemy shade totem for a limited amount of time, and these totems can target by enemies to take damage, but if any damage they receive reflected on the surrounding enemies with a 30% effectiveness. You can only have two shade totems active at once, limiting how much damage reflection you can create against enemy hordes. This ability from Dagger counts as trap skill and it can be boosted by any other item that benefit those abilities. Trap builds are not as strong as other of same archetypes, so this item is an incredible buff to an underrated path for rough characters. Having this weapon can make you deadly against infernal hordes and tough it won't help much against enemy players in PvP. This item is best used in alongside friends, especially with necromancers who can add allies of their own and to the shared totems you summon. And Stagger in Diablo 4 does not require any input from you, making it easy to get totems as you attack enemies consistently. And I hope you guys understand that how to use the Unback Stagger in Diablo 4. If you find this video helpful, so please like it and I will see you guys in the next video.